Welcome to Trading Edge Dynamics. I am Harry Sharalambus and I'll be taking you through a series of introductory videos. This is our first video in a series of tutorials to help you get started in using Trading Edge Dynamics. My objective is to help you learn how to use this very powerful tool and see for yourself how it can save you time and money. I strongly believe that Trading Edge Dynamics can provide all users with a trading edge, whether you're an investor or a trader, whether you're just getting started or whether you have many years of experience. Trading Edge Dynamics can save you time in analyzing stock direction and market trends. It can help you see how every stock is trending. You can quickly filter and sort stocks based on key parameters to help you narrow down your search to a list of stocks you want to keep an eye on. It covers all stocks, sector indices and ETFs listed on the Australian Stock Exchange and includes major world indices to give you the total picture. In this series of tutorials, I will try to demonstrate how simple it is to use and how you can best use the information to improve your trading or investment decisions by taking advantage of the best possible entry and exit points. We are so confident that we offer all users a 14-day totally free trial. Once you get to use Trading Edge Dynamics, you see how it can help you identify entry opportunities as well as help you preserve capital from heavy losses. It's a tool that helps you make better trading decisions. Our alerts are not buy and sell signals. They are alerts of a change in trend direction. But as you'll see, they can alert you in advance of a price level at which the next change of trend is most likely to occur. This makes it so easy to identify entry and exit points to suit your trading style. Let me show you how it all works from the very beginning. After registering, you will receive an email with your login details. Click on the link to the member site and you'll be prompted to sign in. Ensure that the password entered here does not include any additional blank spaces and make sure you have ticked the terms and conditions acceptance after you have read these documents. If you have any problems logging in, just send us an email. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the home page. This is the dashboard. As a new user, you have been assigned some default settings to get you started. You can change this at any time once you've gained the knowledge and the confidence. The default starting position provides all users with a watch list made up of key indices and the top market stocks. The default settings for TA strategy is set to flex term, and I will explain this very shortly. As you become more familiar, you'll be able to create and alter watch lists very easily. This is the beauty about Trading Edge Dynamics. It allows you to keep up to 10 watch lists with up to 40 stocks per watch list. That's 400 stocks that you can easily track for any change in trend in 3 different settings to suit your trading style. You may even want to track all 3 strategies once you learn how to use them. Changing strategy can easily be done from every page by using the toggle switch in the top right-hand corner. The options here are long, short, and flex term strategies. This allows you to analyze results offered in 3 different strategy settings. At this point, however, we recommend testing at the default setting. More experienced traders may prefer the short-term strategy once they gain familiarity with the platform. You can find more details about the strategy settings in the help section, but for now, a short explanation. The strategy settings alter the TA indicator settings and therefore the frequency of the alert generated by the system. A simple way to explain the difference between the 3 settings is the number of alerts generated. So the short term covers smaller trend cycles and will generate more frequent alerts, whereas the long term will generate far fewer alerts reflecting the longer term trend. There is an offset here, however, that you need to consider. The shorter term alerts offer quicker protection and smaller drawdown. That also means frequent change in direction. The longer term alerts, on the other hand, offer a slower protection and high drawdown, and that may not suit every trader or investor. I find the flex strategy settings provides a balanced strategy and is my favorite, the best place to get you started. You can also change settings from the settings page. Let's look at this page and see all the other options available in settings. In this page, you can reset your own password, reset your charts to default, and also set your daily email alert preferences. The daily email alerts allows you to set whether you want to receive a daily TED report and to select which alert strategy for all your watch lists is applied to the daily email report. You can select one or all three if you want to include all alerts grouped by strategy setting. Ensure you have saved your settings before leaving this page. Now let's go back to the dashboard. You can save this page to your favorites for an easier access. If you're using a trusted device which you only have access to, then you don't have to log out when you're finished. Just close the page. Next time you access your bookmark from the same browser, you'll come straight to the dashboard. It makes sense to start from this page and see any new messages we may be displaying on the top right-hand side. Editors' charts, last updates, and new articles added are some of the information you may find in this section. The top left is reserved for your membership information. Here you can find details of your membership renewal or expiry dates, the number of active watch lists you have, and your selected strategy setting. The bottom left section have all the information about your watch list. The information shows a breakdown of bullish and bearish alerts for each watch list and their accuracy. The accuracy is a percentage measure of the correctness in the direction indicated by the bull or the bear alert. On the bottom right is an overview of the market, which includes sector indices, major international indices, and top winners and losers of each day. Click on each tab to access daily figures with percentage change from daily, month to date, and year to date, making it easy to identify both short and long-term movers. All pages feature tooltip help. This is visible when you hover your pointer for 1 second over major headings. A brief help is displayed in a yellow hover box which explains the contents or the function under the heading. The platform uses 3 menus, but in this section we'll cover the main menu visible on this page. This is the menu on the left-hand side. You can expand or collapse this or create more space by clicking the menu icon. In the expanded form, you can open sub-menu pages in some categories. The main function of this menu is to provide access to the different parts of the platform. So let's briefly look at what's covered here. The Explorer. This is the ideal place to start searching for a stock code listed in the Australian Stock Exchange. Explorer subsections provide access to ASX listed equities, ASX indices and sector indices, exchange traded funds, that's ETFs, and major international indices. The database provides end-of-day data adjusted for corporate actions such as splits and consolidations, and covers prices from 2000 onwards and is updated twice daily. The main daily update usually is available from 5:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Time. Watch list. Create or manage or simply view your watch list or up to a maximum of 10 watch lists to help you keep an eye on changing trends. A summary of all watch lists is displayed in the menu as well as the dashboard, where you can also click to go directly to that watch list. Market scans. This is a powerful tool that scans the market for stocks based on pre-selected scans and parameters that you can set. Simulation. Again, a very powerful backtesting facility. You can perform backtesting of various strategies using a single stock or a list up to 40 stocks. So you can test the whole watch list in just one backtest simulation. Settings. As you've seen already, you can go to manage your settings. Subscription, a page where you can manage or renew your membership. Help. Help pages is where you can find user guides with a lot more details on each page, a glossary, a quick start page, access to our video tutorials, and a place where you can provide us with your feedback. Learning Center. This section covers educational topics and provides some useful information such as trading psychology, trading strategies. This is a good place to start if you're new to trading or just want to improve your trading skills. That's all for this section. Look out for our next video tutorial and other webinar recordings in this help section of the website. Thank you for watching.